What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now, I've been thinking recently a few different things, when it comes to business, when it comes to your mindset, when it comes to making money, what's in your wallet, your value that you bring to the market, what you're doing, to enhance the world. And it got me thinking about, a few different things. So I'm going to address those today. But pretty much, before we get on with that, I want to start off by saying a few things. First of all, yesterday we got 6 likes. We got 6 likes on the latest video that I produced. So what does that mean? Well, that means in the last month, that is the most likes we've had on one single video. Now, it's not a lot. It's not what I'd like, but it's definitely more than we've had before. So first of all, I just want to say thank you to you guys. Obviously, I've got to be grateful, I've got to accept that we haven't got a lot of likes on these videos. So, at least on that video, I did something right. Now, add to that, I would like to say thank you to those new people who have subscribed. I see you guys have hit the red button, you've joined the channel, so welcome on the journey. Again, like I said, this is the money management, so, you guys know what this is about. It's quite simple. But overall, the most important thing I want to say is the more we get these videos out to more people, the more we can help more people, the more we can help people open their minds, understand, the possibilities that we have in this world, in this day and age. And again, like I said before, multiple times, if you guys are new around here, you might not know, but in this period of time that we're in, with this crisis, pandemic, whatever you want to call it, we've got so many opportunities. And a lot of people don't realize that, but we really do. Now, let's get into what I want to talk about today, which is the tips for your mind and your wallet. Because a lot of people have issues with their mindset. So I want to really cover that today and explain to you guys, what people are missing, what people don't understand. You see, when it comes to making money, when it comes to doing anything in this life, starting a business, working a job, you have to have the right mindset. And that doesn't only go for, when it comes to making money. That goes for a lot of different things. I guarantee you, you will not get through school without having the right mindset. You will not get through any kind of education that you take on without the right mindset. You can't accomplish many things without the right mindset. So like I said, when it comes to business, for example, you have to have the right mindset when you want to begin. You guys know I have a smartwatch company, but if you're new around here, you don't know I have a smartwatch company. This is one of my own smartwatches, TimeGain watches, the link is in the description below. But when I started the company, I didn't think to myself, well, I'm just going to do whatever, probably won't work, I'll just try it out. No, I thought to myself, I can do this, I can try this. I may not compete with the Garmins, the Fitbits, the Apples, but what I can do is take a tiny percent of the market and show the people, show my customers, show my potential customers, my audience, what I'm offering, why I'm better, what exactly I could do to benefit their lives. All the businesses you guys want to start. If you want to find ways to help people out, find ways to help them out by solving their problems. Find ways to help them out by, finding an issue, finding something, pain point, finding something which they're struggling with, and solve that. Not only are you helping them, but you're helping yourself. Because not only are you bringing yourself some revenue, but you're also helping yourself because you're actually helping people. You're increasing, your value to the market. You're increasing your potential. You're also fulfilling more people's potential as well as your own. Now, that's the thing I want to touch on right now. Finding a solution to a problem. So many people don't realize that is very easy to do. There are so many issues in this world, there's so many problems, and once you find those problems and you address how to solve them, you try it out, you test it out and it works, trust me when I say you hit a gold mine. Now, if people have never done that before, even better for you. If people have done it before, but you can enhance it, you can better it, you can improve on it, that's just as good for you. But the problem here is, so many people think when they want to start a business, they need an LLC, they need a huge logo, they need amazing, graphics, they need to run all sorts of ads. You don't need to do all that. I'm telling you again, I started my own companies. I've started a few different companies. When you want to start any kind of business, you don't need all that. It's way more simple than that. You don't need fancy employees, a nice office, having to pay people thousands each and every year. You don't need all that. You can use what we have in this day and age. And that's why I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we have the tools in this day and age. You need a phone, you need a laptop, you need Wi-Fi. You need, to be able to address people. You need to be able to reach out to people on social media, different networks. You need to understand that, on places like Fiverr, Upwork, people would design logos for you. It doesn't have to be the best, it doesn't have to be the sharpest. People would do that for you. You can learn how to run ads on YouTube. You can understand how to, market your product by speaking to people on social media. In this day and age, in 2020, we have everything we need at our fingertips. So the reason that you guys are not, starting your business, not making money, because you don't have the right mindset. So I'm going to talk about mindset again. Whatever you do in this life, whatever you do, you have to have the right mindset, and that, flows into your mentality. What mentality you have when you, have failures, when you lose money? What's the mentality you have? How do you react? How do you bounce back? Do you let failures push you down? Do you let failures hold you down? Or do you use those obstacles to climb over them to become great? Do you use those obstacles and those challenges to put you on the right path to greatness? I don't know. Everyone is different. But I'm speaking from, my perspective and what I see from other people. Another thing that people don't understand is when it comes to how you succeed, when it comes to how you elevate your life, how you elevate your game, how you step up, a lot of what people don't understand is this is about time management. Time management is life management. And a lot of you people do not manage your time. I cannot stress how important it is to manage your time. I know enough people who say they don't have time, they don't have money, they don't have, whatever they need. You do have whatever you need. You have the time. If you're sleeping 6 to 8 hours a day, that's good. I always tell you, keep track of your health. That's good. But you've got another 14, 16 hours each and every day. Are you telling me that, no matter how much you do for your education, you're 9 to 5, commuting, whatever you do, you don't have enough time to do the things you want to do? Building a side business takes 1 to 2 hours a day. There are other things which you can do when it comes to business, which take you max 3 or 4 hours a day. I guarantee you, when you split up your day, you find out what you're doing with your time, you will find slots to, work on your business. You'll find slots in time to work on your goals. If you can spend 8 hours each day, for those who have a 9 to 5, if you can spend 8 hours each day working on someone else's goals, building someone else's dreams, I guarantee you can find the time to spend 2 or 3 hours working on your goals and dreams, focusing on what you want to do, what you want to accomplish, all your targets. It's quite annoying to see how many people, don't use their time right. If you use your time right, you have a lot of time. If you don't use your time right, you don't have any time. And that's why people say they don't have time. Now, again, I'm going to stress this to you guys. You have the time. You're just not using it right. There are enough of you out there who use your time to, for entertainment purposes. Use your time to watch Netflix, to watch Hulu, to catch up with series, to go on social media, to scroll through feeds. But you don't use your time to read, to study, to learn, to implement things, to test things out. Again, it goes back to time management. And then it makes you feel like you don't have your life in order. Again, it goes back to time management. Time management is life management. You can manage your time, you can manage your life. The reason you feel like your life is not in order is because you've not got your time in order. You don't know what you're doing with your time. And again, I'm going to say it. Those of you who think you do not have the time, I guarantee you do have the time. And the reason I'm saying that is because I know from my own experiences in the past, I've said to myself, it's a shame, I don't have time to do that kind of thing. I don't have time to, do this or that. I just don't have the time, don't have the hours. I'm too busy. No, you make time for what you want. You make time for what you're interested in. You prioritize the things you actually want, the things you actually need. And that goes for every single one of us. I'm not just saying it for you, I'm saying it for me as well. You might think it's difficult to make a video each and every day. Maybe it is difficult if you don't manage your time properly. I guarantee you, you do not have to sacrifice sleep. You don't have to, wake up early, go to bed late just to do these kind of things. There are valuable minutes you're wasting each and every hour, and this turns into valuable hours you're wasting each and every day. Manage your time properly if you want to get somewhere. I guarantee if you focus on what's important, you'll get somewhere. You'll start to see results, you'll start to see changes. If you focus on what you think is important or what you know is not important, but you focus on that, you put your energy into that, you won't see the results you want to see. You won't even see the results you deserve to see. Technically, you might be seeing, small results here and there on whatever you're working on, but you won't see the real results that you need. It doesn't matter what you do, it's about how you do it. You can complain and sit down and say, I deserve a raise, I deserve this, I deserve that, I want a better salary. Go out and create it for yourself. Prove why you deserve that money. Prove why you are that valuable. You got to understand that no one's going to give things to you. Things are not given in this life. The best things are earned. And also the best things start off small. So you've got to understand that, just because you work on a business for 6 months does not mean you're going to have the returns of a business that has been around for 5, 10 years, no matter how good you think your idea is. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to mindset. That's why I'm telling you guys to focus on your mindset. When you focus on your mindset, you're going to see, when you're growing with your mind, that's how your wallet grows. When you're growing with, how you think, your behaviors, that's how your wallet grows. That's how your pockets get fatter. That's how your pockets get bigger. That's how your bank account gets larger. Otherwise, what you're going to do is stagnate and eventually, decline. And nobody wants to do that, especially not on this channel. That's not what we're here for. This is a channel created for high-driven people, people with huge aspirations, people who are goal-driven, people who want to achieve great things. That's what this channel is for. People who want to be right with their money. People who want to do the right things with their money. Not people who want to waste their money and also, in turn, waste their time. We don't have that much time on this earth. But if you use it right, you have enough time to leave an impact, to leave a legacy, to create something which will last forever. I cannot stress to you guys how important these things are to you. I think a lot of people don't realize how important these are. Managing your time, controlling your mindset, having the right mentality. These things are key to us succeeding financially, succeeding when it comes to our goals, succeeding when it comes to, freedom, because at the end of the day, we all want freedom. So, like I said, Be smart with your time, be smart with your money, have the correct mindset, go into everything with a purpose, focus on what's important to you, focus on what's going to get you to where you want to get to. Again, you don't need thousands of employees. You don't need, tens of people to do things for you. You don't need a fancy office. What you do need is the right mentality, the right mindset, the right focus, seeing your vision, pursuing your vision relentlessly, not avoiding obstacles, not, moving away from failure, but attacking the obstacles, attacking, whatever comes up and tries to block you off. Those things will all come across your path. They've come across my path, they've come across your path, they'll come across, people who are successful's path, they'll come across everyone's path. It might be daily, it might be weekly, it might be monthly. Either way, that's part of life. You've got to challenge it, you've got to take it on the head. You've got to be okay, with losing sometimes. You've got to be okay with failing sometimes. But the most important thing is how you react. And that goes for your money too. You will lose money. Maybe, you deserve to lose money, maybe you didn't deserve to lose money. But you will lose money. But as long as you learn from those losses, as long as you learn from, losing money from your pockets, only then you'll be able to make more money. Only then will you be able to rise above all of that. Only then we'll be able to be successful financially. Because we want to be, we want to live the life we want to live. Be anywhere in the world we want to, doing whatever we like to, while still getting paid. We want to, be free. We want to have the freedom to do whatever we want to. We don't want to have people telling us what to do all the time. We want to be able to spend our money, how we want to, but still have money coming in. It's not always about, spending money. It's also about how you're bringing in money. So make sure you're bringing in enough money so you can be spending enough money. It's pretty simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was slightly different to the usual. Apart from that, again, I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed recently. Thank you to you guys who left likes in the last video. If we can hit 5 likes in this video, I'll be very grateful. We'll see if we can make that happen. But overall, again, if you've not checked out those links in the description, please check them out. If you sign up through Robinhood, we've got free stocks for you there. If you sign up on Coinbase, we've got free cryptocurrency, some Bitcoin for you and me. Again, we've got my smartwatches, Time Gear watches, link is in the description below. If you want to be an affiliate for us and make some money, go ahead and do that. Lastly, check out that first link in the description. It's a free guide to making online profits. So for those of you who want to start a business, check out that first link in the description. But overall, be creative, fix your mindset, fix your wallet. You guys have the potential, you guys have the ability, you guys have the tools you need. It's up to you to go out there and do it. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Be back here tomorrow for another video, as always. But I got money making, you got money making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.